Let me ask you something. Do you feel like real estate demands 40, 50, even 60 hours a week just to survive? Are you juggling a job, your family, or maybe even both, and wondering if you'll ever have enough time to really succeed in this business? Here's the truth. You don't have to grind endless hours to win in real estate. Some agents get more done in 15 to 20 hours a week than others do in 40 to 60-hour weeks. And today I'm going to show you exactly how. Whether you're raising a family, working another job, serving in the military, or simply unwilling to grind 60-hour weeks, this guide is for you. You can earn a serious income in real estate without sacrificing your sanity, your values, or your life balance. But it requires precision, systems, and a clear understanding of how to use your time. Here are the 11 steps. Step 1, start with your agent success map. This isn't just about money goals, it's about your life, personal, and business goals. Be honest with yourself. Are you transitioning into full-time real estate to replace your current job, or will this remain supplemental? Or do you just want to work part-time? What's your specific income goal? Not just more money, but give it a number. Include things like benefits and insurance if you're replacing your current job. Your clarity is the first step toward your success. Step 2 is to embrace proactive lead generation, not to be confused with passive lead generation or busy work. Here's the secret. A part-time agent who prospects will always outperform a full-time agent who doesn't. Don't waste money buying leads. Instead, talk to your database, friends, family, past coworkers. Use the Ford script, which stands for family, occupation, recreation, and dreams. Stay conversational but intentional. Lead generation is your lifeline. Step 3, do track everything. This keeps you accountable as to where you are, what you need to do, and ties directly back to the goals you laid out in your agent success map. Use the whiteboard system to visually track your pre-qualified listing leads, buyer leads, active listings, signed buyer agency agreements, pendings, and closed transactions. That way, you'll always know if you're on track, ahead, or behind. Step 4 is to choose the right broker. Ask yourself, where can I make the most money for the time I have to give? This could mean better splits, support systems, referral opportunities, or growth paths. The right brokerage amplifies your productivity, so don't settle for less than what helps you hit your goals. Step 5 is to master the tools of the trade fast. Get your pre-listing package, your listing presentation, and your buyer presentation ready to go. Practice them on real prospects. Your job is to earn while you learn. My coach says not to get stuck in analysis paralysis, and to remember knowledge equals confidence. Ignorance equals fear. Step 6 is to focus only on what makes you money. Lead generation, lead follow-up, pre-qualifying, presenting, negotiating, closing. Everything else is what my coach used to call work theater. Step 7. Once you're closing 3 or more deals a month for 90 days straight, hire a transaction coordinator. And remember, you pay by transaction, so you're not overextending yourself. Your time is your most valuable asset. Don't spend it chasing paperwork when you could be generating more business. Step 8. Build a referral network with past clients, other agents, and your professional contacts. When done right, this can be a lead generation source all on its own. And once you're established as a listing agent, you can always refer buyers to trusted partners. Your network is your safety net in your scaling strategy. Step 9. You must get your family on board. This is often overlooked, but it's critical. Discuss your schedule with your spouse, kids, or household. Protect your lead generation time. Show them your specific goals. Review your whiteboard with them. Share your schedule. Discipline is easier when your family is in your corner. Step 10, ask for help when you need it. Part-time agents are not alone in this business. I know agents who are from all walks of life and with very diverse backgrounds, all succeeding in real estate because they have the right systems and support. If they can do it, you can too. Step 11, your mindset matters. Don't listen to anyone who says you can't succeed part-time. Adopt the mindset, again from my coach, if it's meant to be, it's up to me. Make this your own. And remember this, in your business, 1% daily improvement changes everything. Just like a plane flying from LA to New York, if it's off by even 1 degree, it lands 30 miles away. That 1% course correction every day creates an entirely new trajectory in your life and your business. And here's my challenge to you. Put this playbook into action. You'll be amazed at what you can build in under 20 hours a week. If you want more info about the Agent Success Map, the pre-listing packet, the White Accountability Board, or if you simply want to dive a little deeper, my contact info is below. Schedule a call and get on my calendar for a no-pressure chat about your business.